here we go again with another vlog with the family. Say hi. It's mommy and baby Khalil and daddy. And so far guys, ang atong buhaton agenda today is celebrate the old post-celebrate og birthday ni Khalil, ang among little handsome little man because he knows how to make decision na sa isa ano siya na mamungkag ko ana gwapo kay guys kita. Anyways, so karon muna mo ang agenda guys, mag-aglaag ni mag-hotel mi dito sa Oregon guys kay ilibre man ilibre man ni guys pa-birthday na nila kay Khalil, and also good banding good celebration char lang, diba daddy? What can you say daddy? Na thank you and shout out to my shout out to our sponsor for today's video. Pero muna siya guys, kapo kayo dali ako inani kagapo mo dali guys, tanawa guys. Yes. Yo Khalil, what's up? Oh no, what happened? You got tagat? Oy, matagak! Ay, matagak! Go! Give it to mama. Okay. And ipalungon sana ako guys. See you later again. Oh my god guys, narami na nga on guys. Oh, as ang mahala dra guys, like
last time.
Remember? And I'll see you later. So Dili siya ma-zoom in that. Country roads, guys. Ilag na mo palang gangking na madali mo. Kaya katugo na. Katugo na ako palang. Katugo na kayo si Khalil. Katugo na siya guys. Wapo kayo guys, oh. Yay!
We're 9 minutes away.
9 minutes away, people.
Look at the view. Look at that. It's very good. It's very good. The view is very good. Oh my. Oh mama. Look at that. Gwapo kayong gubjen guys.
Gobjen.
Ulan lang guys. But it's okay.
Gapo kayo siya guys. Ay, ni Unad. Ni hayag ko ay dad.
Ha?
Ni hayag na. Guys, namin dito si Gubjin guys.
Sakit tag sa kanoy. Sige ito kita ito ni tower.
Kuan. Apot si baka na ito sa Gubjin man to. Look at that guys.
Reds guys. Sus, okay lang ulan. Kagwapo
Cute
yan.
guys na. Na ako pamagod sa kuan na mo ang guys. Yan na ako sa iyop na niya. Ako kayo.
Ang phone ko may bakit yan.
Look at that.
Gwapo
Look
kayo
at that.
guys. Oh, gwapo kayo.
At the light,
San Juanico Bridge, guys. Oh, look at
Oh
that.
my God! Oregon, here we come!
Ngit-ngit man, guys. Nyawa ni, guys.
Yuta gaya na siya. Here
Nag-video
we
pa kasi sa
go.
ipon?
Yes, I did. I wanna dance. Oh, chilla.
Continue on US 101.
Yay! Look at that, guys. Oh, guys. Dito na si.
Dito na si Chito Miranda.
Ah, dyan. Guys, sana bigyan guys. Tanawa ko na, oh. Dili yan niya ba?
Oh, guys. Uy, nasa makitan, guys. So, look at the bridge, guys. Oh.
Guys, we're entering Oregon! Welcome to Oregon! Naanami guys, mag-meet and greet rin. Char! Taas kayo ni siya guys. Oh my God, look at the birdie.
Welcome to the Oregon. Welcome to the Oregon, guys.
Pwede lang ang Pilipinas, biyahe o ginani no? Or ang Pilipinas na natra, di US na nitri. Adoan lang kung biyahe ba? No?
Naku rin manindag barbecue sa US, guys.
Na siguro, ay, ako ang itong Siargao Bridge.
O, pareha na rin. Ikaw na.
Siargao
Mga
Bridge
Pilipino na natin.
Pilipino na diri, guys. Ano nangyari?
Nangyari sa ayo.
Pwede ba ito na?
Pwede. Kuha man eh, broken line man na.
Ay, nanata Oregon dad.
Ayun na.
In a quarter mile,
Yung
arrive
border
at your
dad.
destination.
Ay, border na rin dad.
Ito dito. Ito dito. Welcome to Oregon. Oregon na rin.
Nana po yung another bridge dad. Sasa din, no? Uyag ka siya, no? Taas ka siya, no? Dad! The sun is out! Are you happy?
You have arrived.
Yeah.
Head south on US 101 South. Continue on US 101 South for 2 miles.
20 minutes more.
Guys, tanawa guys. Dito rin kasi. Washington na to dito guys. Nagpulan pa sila dito guys. Tari guys kay. Dili naman yung Washington guys.
Nag-home dito.
Ha? Pero mura. Wala dad, look at that dad oh. Unsa na siya dad?
Alas.
Wala na siya?
Kaang paguro si tawag na ka ng tao. Ah? Unas.
Unas.
Unas na yun.
Lagi dad ni Aki dito dari ati ay. Kato nagsakit ka ng barko dra oh. Inana mo to tong barko nagsakyan. Yeah.
Ay, kita diri.
Ha? Nakita diri ano mo gito si Christine pero ningon na diri sila nilang first kiss. I wanna dance. Oh, Nina. Oh. Guys, sana mi sa Oregon. Dalil, nana ka sa different state lang ka. Next time is Canada, no? Canada kaya ta next week, Dad. Poor numbers.
Hindi na tama, guys.
Hindi na ta. Dito, Dad. Why not, no? Wala kita lang.
Last time diri matato. Agi po.
Napot dito ada doon. Napato dito dad, tulad dad. Dito ano punta later.
Ang bird na yun, tanang agi.
Kaya dito na lagi. And then ano po dito oh, dito ano dito naman dito ah. Yung mutuyok to yung may street na padulong dito.
Ay, dito to ni Agi sa baba, Big.
Ito kami gikan.
Remember ka, dito tanang
In a
agi.
quarter mile,
Yeah.
right onto US 101 South, West Marine Drive.
Tumigigan guys. Kita ka to.
the right.
Astroya!
US 101 South, West Marine Drive. Signs for Seaside.
Say bye-bye for now. Hi guys. Kapit kami. 7 minutes na lang. Ay, actually,
4 minutes.
4 minutes na lang. Pero guys, na namin sa Oregon guys. Guys, ang agenda guys kay mo to may gruto. Hopefully guys, to gruto guys. O niya, guys, ka na laglag yung pa sa family. Muna mga agenda mo guys. Kapag kayong weather guys, di ko siya guys. Oh, nag-cooperate siya. Oh my God. Cooperate siya guys. Lami kayo diri na wet. Lami kayo diri ang buyag ang kwan guys. Kanang sa taga na ambience, no?
Ang Daylan.
Ha?
Ang Daylan.
Daylan? Yeah. It's the Daylan is very
Look at the Daylan.
Daylan?
Yeah. Kaos lang, Mandalan, Daylan.
I was like Daylan? I swear to God, wala ka yung word mo.
In a quarter mile,
Ah!
Sunset Boulevard.
The Daylan is very good, guys. You know, you see that, guys? Oh, wow! The Daylan is so good, guys.
So good.
It's so chef kiss on Daylan. What's it, Daylan? You are so
Turn
beautiful,
right onto
oh.
Sunset Boulevard.
Cannon Beach! Here we go!
2 minutes.
Guys, papunta na tayo sa kaligayahan.
In
Char.
1,000 feet, turn left onto South
Guys,
Hemlock Street.
andito na tayo. Guys, wapo ka na dere, guys. Dan, oh, mo ito tadara, dad, oh. Sa museum nila, dad.
Uy. Uy.
Are you here na? Are you here na? We are here to the
Turn left onto
place
South Hemlock Street.
where
Then
I belong. Adria sa good dad, dili pa man tama to. Ato dara sa right side dad. I left side, left side. Na iba to dara.
Dito man to.
I know, but go here first.
Huh?
Go here. Go there.
Left side.
Uh-huh. It's just right there lang man. Because, you know why? I'm gonna show you something here.
turn right, then turn right.
Yeah, yes.
Nadra o.
Bato?
No, kito to. Puy ko na.
No. Naibato kay.
Turn left
Naibato
on east.
dere dad.
Head south on South Hemlock Street toward East Hills Lane, then turn left on
It's
East.
somewhere. Just go.
Head south on South Hemlock Street
Tara, oh,
toward Ross
nade,
Lane, then turn
bato.
left onto Ross. Head south on South Hemlock Street toward Forest Lawn Road.
Tara! You see
Continue on
that
South
one?
Hemlock Street for 3/4
There you
mile.
go! Gwapo ka siya, oh. Dara na tad. Kita na to na.
Sa may mangita ta. One. Okay, dual. One lane.
Dual lane. Tara, broken.
Hindi ko ito pinusunod na.
Oh, broken into pieces. Oh, guys. Tanawa to, guys. Ah, shit! Tignan nyo, guys. Ang ganda.
Parking eh. Parking na rin. Mapo na.
Ha?
No, they park at the south first.
No,
Okay,
we're
sige.
just,
19 minutes kami tayo.
19 minutes
sige.
kayo.
Turn
Sige
right
na,
onto
bye-bye.
South Hemlock Street.
Don't do this, mommy. Ha?
Yeah, he shouldn't do that.
In a quarter mile,
Look at that, guys. Oh. Baba ta, Dad.
Tara lang ta. Look at that!
Dad, oh. You go na.
Woo! Bingo! Look at that, guys.
Bingo. Guys, tanawa. Bato na siya, guys. Gamay na ka siya tanawa diri, pero man, pag
Ito.
mababa taon niya, guys. Very, ano na siya, guys. Very big. So big. Tara na daw.
Let's see. A what? A cat. Oh.
Hi. Can you say hi? Mami. Bye.
There you go. Story lang. Okay siya guys.
Wow daw. Wow.
What is that? That's what you call rock. A big rock. A mountain rock.
Yeah, you see water?
Yes,
Wow. Look at that. Hindi siya di masagap chat.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, lasad.
Wow, a rock. Oh wow, you see a rock right there?
Wow. A rock. Rock, paper, scissors, stone.
Cinematic ni mo. Yeah, there you go. What's that?
Asa tayo ito? Dari ata? Oh wow! Dari Kuya wa, uy! Mal kay dari, uy!
200.
Damn!
Oh no. Are we gonna... Ala, masama na sila. Christine.
No, we need kuan dad. We need a... Ano ba? Ito ganun?
Ano Hi guys.
Oh, vlogger
Hi.
is right here. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Oh, they have fresh and everything. You can put this on there. Look at this. Last 2 years or last year? We went here. Oh, be careful, ha. We went here. Look at that. We rented out a hotel. Look up, seaside, man. Woo! Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Cannon Beach. There's the big stone, man. Look at that. Big stone rock. Batu. Ooh, nagikasalin ko.
I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with the way you said my name. I know it sounds crazy, baby, try to understand me, please do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with the pictures in my head. I know it sounds crazy, maybe one day I could share them with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I really don't mind waiting as long as it takes you. I've been searching for so long, so what's another week or two? 'Cause every time I see you, life goes bright. The moon, the stars, the fireflies, they light.
Gidala ko ni mo blooming.
It seems as if the world stopped turning round and round. Since I found you.
Wow. Mami.
I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with a dream of me and you. I know it sounds crazy, baby, try to understand me, please do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I really don't mind waiting as long as it takes you. I've been dreaming for so long, so what's another dream or two? 'Cause every time I see you, life goes bright. The moon, the stars, the fireflies, they light. It seems as if the world stopped turning round and round. Oh, since I found you. 'Cause every time I see you, life goes bright. Like daytime in the middle of the night. It feels as if my mind stopped wandering round and round. Well, since I found you. Cause every time I see you, life goes by. The moon, the stars, the fireflies, they light. It seems as if the world stopped turning round and round. Well, since I found you. Cause every time I see you, life goes bright. Like daytime in the middle of the night.
Ha?
It feels as if my mind stopped wandering round and round. Well, since I found you.
Cover your head, your neck thing.
I'm good. Okay guys. Nabi gadula diri. Ha? Kon?
Di man masarap.
Masira oy. Simple po natin masira. Ano kasi? Ano? Oh, dito. Live. Hi, me.
It's so cold, guys. Dili mawala kung pag-15.
Hey. Hey, what's that? What's that? Wow, what's that? Oh, guyawa, oy. Be, gunitin. Ako siya ikaw.
Dili ni mo na jaketan na. Jaketin ang guru dan. Tugog na. Jaketin dan. Ha?
Ay, bakwan niyo. Ay, I know. Ako kayo. Dili sa ano sabi, ikaw sa ikaw. Yan na ba? Yan na. Little. Uy, dili sa. Uy, ay manguan. Ni, bakit?
No, nagtanong man ko.
Uy.
Hi!
Kunin na bakit? Kunin na bakit? Damn.
Say hi! Wala na yung sandal. Mapo ka na siya. Oh. Ha?
Atras si Christine.
Asa? Atara?
Kunin na bakit? Ano? Kuya, gulot na eh. Ha? Look ha?
Bukan na, dadaw butang yan. Bakit, Dad?
Ha?
Butang yan, bakit?
Look ha? Look si Papa ha? Look ang gimmick ni Papa ha? Look? Tanawa ha? Look ha? Tanawa? Dapat masak ka na.
Pwede man dyan po na.
Kami, help Papa put the bucket. Put in the bucket. Put in the bucket. Put. Help Papa help. Help Papa help.
Bugnaw, Dad. Uy. Butang ni si Kalil, Dad. Kaya bugnaw gani sa tuwaon. Saan lang kayo nakakalil, Dad? Pagkabayan na nag-socks. Sus, ita.
Ano galing? Ano galing tao galing? Tanggalan na ito kwan eh. Kanang para maan sa tingin.
Sige.
Ha?
Pero, kanang jakiti lang siya, Dad.
Natugnaw yun. Tugnaw. Nag-live na ka?
Oo. Say hi. Sakiti dad. Ano na yung mga bata dari dad oh.
Ha?
Nagpundur na beta.
What's that? Dapat basa kanina.
Yeah. Dito oh. Dad. Dad. Daddy. Kana oh. Dara oh, basa mo na oh. Happy. Oh. Say hi. Uy, pagbantay. Oo.
Wala lagi kita ka.
Ikaw man. Ni Fags na gani oh. Sa Kabugnaw.
Look kalilo. Look papa. Di ka na yung mukha ko. Wait. Papa first. Yeah, wait.
Dit ka ni butang edad. Oh, unya. Kahuman. Itindog ni mo.
Oh?
Oh.
Look ah. Kalilo. Look ah. Wee. What's that?
Say hi. Dad. Wala lagi na dad. Bugnaw dad.
Libre ka sa skalil. Apa ko? Kaya ko? Kaya po.
Mahal pa pa dad.
Help papa. Help papa. Put in the bucket, B. Help papa. Put in the bucket.
Muna sila duha nag-away dad. Karon, muna sila duha nag-away. Naminaw ka? Ano sabi mong gawin?
Dili ko gusto. Unong ko ka oras mag sa tingyo niya. Ah, wala na tingyan mo. Oh, bukat! Bukat!
Ayaw! Ayaw na! Ayaw pa yan mo!
Lagi. Oh.
Not enough! Not enough yet!
Look ah.
It's not enough pa man, oy!
Naligaw ah.
Yung man siya kaso. Wala man yung magidoot, dad.
Luot mo na.
Anong diliwan siya man yung mo? Buta oh. Naligaw man ang tatay, oy.
Alam mo, wala na nataraw.
Hindi kita na ako. Ayaw, ay palunga. Say hi!
Hi.
Ay, sabog na. Pags na ganino. Pags na guys. Bye-bye.
Lagi online.
Oh. Picture ko. Ha?
Ah, Lena. What's that? What's that?
Hmm?
Obi. Meron na kami ka. Where's your one?
Dan! Ayaw, pandan.
Asa yung house ng one? Okay. Buat si Papag double whale.
Ako galing na, gibudlaw ko.
You want Papa make double whale? Okay, wait. Ah, look ah. Ay, yours. Bili ng ikong. Kalel, look oh. Kalel.
Ano na dan butiti. Are you guys both enjoying?
Wala? Look, watch first. Wala! What's that?
A whale. Is it a whale?
What's that?
A whale.
Oh! Oh!
Ganda nila. Dad, ako na po, Dad.
Si Kalil ha, tawag ka si Kalil. Mami, tawag ka si Kalil. Kalil, come here.
Kalil!
Uy,
Hala, papi!
come here. Come here. Ha? Dapat basa-basa mo kung nagamay. Ah. Yeah. Throw ka mama, throw mama.
No!
Yeah. Laban niya ba? Hey me, you enjoy?
Yes, it's cold though.
Yeah. Hi. Kalil, come here. Shh, Kalil. Wanna go with Papa? Come with Papa. Come here. Come with Papa. Ali. We'll go walk over there. Let's go. Go walk over there. Let's go. Ha? Sige. Ay nagpakasal rin. Train up.
Nala, you do it.
Naman. Lala, tabi. Tabi. Lala, kursunado kami. Tabi. Sa dagat kayo.
Ay, init ang tubig. Dad! Ay, mabasa ko.
Ay, pabasa kami lahat. Ay, pabasa kami.
Ay, bugnaw kayo, Dad.
Ha?
Bugnaw kayo.
Let's go.
Hala, tara water! Hala, water, go, 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 go.
The light is fading fast from this hotel. We gotta go. Our bags and packs are what we're waiting for. There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Let's skip this time with me. Let's skip this time with me. We come in and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea.
Go for that.
You right by my side.
Tara na, Dad.
Just me.
Tara na.
Let's skip this time with me.
Mwah.
It's my
Skip this time with me. Nowhere else to be.
Me, kuha na yan, kuha me. Iyahang.
Let's skip this
Ah,
time
it's so good.
with me.
So good. Take out her kuha me. Take out his slippers.
Let's skip this time.
Wow! What's that? Dami. What's that?
Let's skip
What's
this
that?
time.
What's that? Tulo na sipon! Nagtulo ng sipon! Mami, what you can say? Bye bye na. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye, I love you.